guys, it's Joelle and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Hairstylist Club Box for the month of July 2020. So for those of you who are new here, hello, my name is Joelle. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and salon owner with over 20 years experience in the industry. And on this channel, we do a lot of unboxings, hair and makeup how-tos, and basically all things beauty. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. So for those of you who are not familiar with Hairstylist Club Box, it's a monthly subscription that is $39.99 a month. And I believe it's a $5 shipping charge. And so basically it's all different things that all hairstylists would enjoy. So let's get right into the box. I'm just gonna open it up. And this is what it looks like. So the box was very, very late this month. I literally just got it. It's like the month's almost over, but she did send out an email that there was some sort of issue, so it is what it is. Okay, so she gives you this little card. They're having some sort of a contest, so you, on Instagram or just hashtag contest. And this is the July edition that actually comes with an entire list of everything that you received. So for our first item, we have this silicone wine glass. Okay. And it says, hairstylists bring out the beauty in you. So cute, very cute. Kind of, you know, it's not like, that might just be from transit, maybe when you wash it. Would you drink directly out of this? Or is it like do you put a wine glass? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure what this is or how to work it. Like, does the wine go directly in it? Or do you put a stemless wine glass in it to keep it cold? I don't know. I don't know. If anybody knows what you would use a device like this for, like it reminds me of like what they put the beer cans in, but I'm not 100% sure. It's interesting. If you know what it is, let me know. So for our next, we got this cute little box, crystal jewelry box. Oh my God, it's adorable. Very cute. It's a little bobby pin that has rhinestone scissors on it. That is very cute. All right, let's try it. It's nice quality. It's made nicely. So that's what that looks like. And it's just right on a bobby pin. Let's see. I like it. Very cute. I'm going to leave that in. Okay, so that's very cute. I feel so fancy. Okay, so for our next item, oh, how cute. We have this little headband that has little scissors on it. Also very cute. And like this in the back. Let's see. Well, it certainly doesn't match the other clip, but maybe we'll just take that out. This is cute. I like this. You know, and it's a little more extra than just a plain thing that you would just wash your hair. Like, I would wear this. Like, I would definitely wear this. I think this is really, really cute. I do. I like that a lot. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. And now we have, oh, we're getting a lot of accessories, wearable accessories. We have a t-shirt that says, hairdressers bring color to the world. Oh, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. That's adorable. It's not bad quality. It looks like it's a little see-through, but not terrible. But it is very, very cute, and I will definitely wear this while I'm working. So, like, we got a complete outfit going on. I like that. And we have, for the last item, we have the Product Clubbed Echo Wraps See-Through Degradable Highlighting Strips. It says eco-friendly, alternative to foil, made from sustainable, renewable tapioca base, degradable and non-toxic. So this is what this looks like. And it's interesting. So it's biodegradable. You would put your foil cone here. And I guess it kind of, it will just fold back up on itself, I'm assuming. It's interesting. I'll give it a whirl and I'll let you know how that turns out. So that is everything in our box, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.